Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and please do me a favor and subscribe to our channel because we are always bringing you incredible product review videos on ideas that you need to know about. Ideas like this particular kit from Justincase. It's called the 97-020 Emergency Roadside Assistance Kit. It is phenomenal. But when it comes to Justincase, the magic is in their customization. Justincase will customize any type of roadside kit that you can imagine. What do you want to be in your kit? Do you want it to be inexpensive? Do you want it to be medium price point? Do you want it to be so high-end that it covers every conceivable type of emergency? They will build it for you. So let's dive right into this particular kit because I want to share what's inside of it. This kit contains an 8-foot 10-gauge booster cable, flashlight with 2 heavy-duty D batteries, 2 light sticks that last for 12 hours each, an air compressor with tire gauge, electrical tape, hose tape, tie-down cord, 4 tire valve caps, assorted plug-in fuses, 6 assorted nylon ties, a foam kneeling pad, 2 pairs of PVC gloves, a 23-piece first aid kit, 6 moist towelettes, an emergency mylar blanket, an orange call police banner, a 3-way LED headlamp, reflective emergency triangle that mounts on your window, a rain poncho, a safety vest, multi-bit screwdriver, 12-foot tow rope with locking steel hooks at a 4,500-pound capacity. And finally, a roadside assistance membership that lasts for a year that includes towing, jump starts, tire changes, fluid delivery, and lockout assistance. Now, why don't we actually get into a few of these items here because there are some exceptional components that you need to know about. No safety kit would be a car side safety kit without a set of 8-foot 10-gauge booster cables. These booster cables are heavy duty and perfect for jump starting your battery in the event that you run out of power. I love the emergency mylar blanket that's included in this kit. You can use it when it's piping hot outside because it'll reflect the heat, or you can use it when it's extremely cold so that it reflects your body heat right back at you. It's also wonderful if you had to, in a worst case scenario, construct a shelter. The orange call police banner is a godsend. If for any reason you had to leave the scene of the accident or the scene where your car is stuck, put the call police banner in the windshield and do what you've got to do so that you attract the attention of the authorities. The reflective emergency triangle is incredibly well engineered. I love this emergency triangle because it mounts to the window so that any cars passing by are going to see that sticking out from the car for maximum visibility. This kit comes with a 12-foot tow rope with locking steel hooks. In fact, it's up to a 4,500-pound capacity, which means that if your car is stuck on the side of the road or in a snowbank, you can easily have it pulled out by another vehicle. Included in this kit is a 3-way LED headlamp, which is perfect for fixing your car or attending to any roadside emergencies at night. It also comes with a safety vest and has a foam kneeling pad, which is awesome because your knees need protection when you're changing tires on the side of a gravel road. Oh man, Justincase thought of absolutely everything when it comes to the construction of this roadside emergency kit. I love what they've done here. In fact, they included hook and loop at the bottom of the bag. And you know why they did that? So that when you put it in the trunk of your car, it actually doesn't move anywhere. Isn't that brilliant? And then the other thing they did is they actually created a massive logo spot in the front here to be able to maximize the branding space. And I think that's really, really smart because when I get this given to me from a corporation, it's like, oh my gosh, I love this company. I'm going to see it every single time I open the trunk of my car. Now, another really smart engineering facet of this bag here is the fact that they've actually put a wide mouth opening. And for those of you that don't know, wide mouth simply means that they put a metal around the entire opening so that it stays open which is extremely practical if I'm reaching into my bag all the time trying to find things. You've got the widest opening possible, and that's really important when I'm stuck on the side of the road. And then lastly, because there are so many valuable things on the inside of this kit, they've made it easy to access the things that we're going to use more frequently. Things like booster cables or things like that tow rope if we get stuck in the snow. And you know where they've done that? On a secret pocket in the bottom over here. All you have to do is open it up and you've got these beautiful booster cables and your tow rope. Man, I love everything about the design of this product, the way they've put it together, the bag they've used, all of the incredible contents, and let's not forget the ability to customize however you want to build this in whatever way with whatever contents. Justincase is going to do that for you. So don't think about demographics, don't think about who's going to use this most. Anybody that owns a car is going to be thankful for receiving this gift because it spells security and it spells safety. Hey, I'm Alex from Promonoise. Thanks so much for watching, and please tune into our website, www.promonoise.com. Subscribe to this channel, like our video, and let's keep making beautiful noise together.